Testing, testing. Hi there. My name is Rohan Bebe, and today we're going to be talking about seed germination. So, what is seed germination? What is it basically? And what it is the process of a seed turning into a seedling or a plant. So it all begins with, let's say, an adult plant, a big flower, okay? And from those flowers would come fruits, or the seeds would be in the flowers themselves. Eventually, due to man-made or natural causes, the seeds would blow out, and the seeds will land into the soil, okay? Once they land into the soil, there are various types of species of plants, okay? And all of them have various conditions in order for them to grow. So these conditions are moisture, warmth, nutrient-rich soil, sunlight, and a good quality seed. These are the 5 rules that are needed for seed germination. So what is inside a seed anyway? So the outer layer that you see is known as the seed coat. Now if you cut it in half, what's inside is, up here we have the embryo. This is the baby plant right over here. And the rest of it is cotyledons, or lendos, okay, which is basically food for the little plant. Okay, so once it goes in and you water it, right? Moisture, right? There's water all around it. The seed, the coat, okay, will start to swell and be soft a little. And the embryo gets nutrients from the cotyledons, right? Eventually, after some time, the seed will crack and a little root, okay, will come. Eventually, after some few days, the roots will come out to gather more nutrients for the baby plant. The more nutrients it gets, the more nutrients it gets. That basically means the seed or the embryo is going to slowly start growing, okay? So it slowly cracks out from the seed, and it slowly once it grows up, the coat and the cotyledons will fall off and also eventually turn into the soil, and tiny leaves will come out for the process of photosynthesis. Okay? So now this little plant is known as a seedling. So seed germination is the process of a seed becoming a seedling. And eventually the more nutrients and sunlight it gets, yada yada yada, turns it into an adult plant. And then that adult plant will eventually gain flowers, and those flowers will sport more seeds or fruits, and the fruits might have seeds in them, which basically creates a never-ending cycle, okay? So it's going to be the cycle of a plant's life. Okay, and this is just step 1 of it. Okay, so step 1 of a plant's life is seed germination. Okay, guys? Now, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye-bye.